Yes, sir.
So, good morning, my dear students and learners. Today, we are going to learn how to configure 32-bit microcontroller with MATLAB or Simulink, which will be much more easier for the people who are doing the rapid prototyping or for any experiment. Because for Texas controllers, extensively you have to use Code Composer Studio and other libraries to write the code, and that things may be slight difficult for the people who want to see the output very quickly. In that aspect, MATLAB having a very good user interface, graphical user interface, that is called Simulink, that can be connected with target hardware, and we can avoid that coding and its syntax simply by using uh, block sets which are available for that particular hardware in Simulink. Using those block sets, very easily you can achieve your desired output. So for that, one of my students, Sri Ranjini, she is from uh, Mata Vaishnav Devi College, Jammu and Kashmir. So she is doing that, and now this is the very first lesson that prior to do the programming, you should know how to configure it. So she will be presenting that how that a particular board we have chosen, that is 280049C, and that how it is to be configured. So now I am handing over the session to Sri Ranjini. I will to
Yes.
start.
Yes, sir.
अभी ये अभी वीडियो वीडियो ये सब बंद कर दे, ओनली दैट यू स्टार्ट विद द पीपीटी फुल
Yes.
स्क्रीन.
Yes, sir. Guide to configuration of F2004X. The first step is download MATLAB. You can easily do it by using the official website of mathworks.com. Go search MATLAB download, and according to your PC, like if it is Windows, then download for Windows, and ensure it is the latest version of MATLAB. Second step is, after your MATLAB is installed, ensure you have logged into your account and go to add-ons and click on explore add-ons. Once you have opened explore add-ons, go to search and search for C2000 microcontroller block set and install it. Then we have to install in the same way embedded coder, Simulink coder and MATLAB coder. Once all these four are installed, you have to reopen your MATLAB and go to manage add-ons, and you can see all the installed add-ons on the left side of the panel. And the next step is, go to the command window of MATLAB and type C2000 setup. Once that's done, this will open up and you have to select your processor. Since we are using F28004X, you have to select only that one. And the next step is, you have to install 2 third-party softwares. And one important thing is, you have to note the location where it is installing into your PC, which will be needed later on. The next step is, you have to validate. So as you have noted down where it was installed, go to browser and select that path and validate both. And with this, the setup is complete. Now open your MATLAB again and go to Simulink. Once Simulink opens, click on create a blank model and save it with any file name you want. Also, by this time, connect your board with your PC with a USB cable. Now the next step is, go to modeling and choose model settings, use or press Ctrl plus E. And now you have to go to hardware implementation and select your board. We are using F28049C launchpad. wait for it to load and then click on apply and OK. Now come back and select library browsers. Now here you have to select C2000 microcontroller block set and C280X and choose digital output. You have to drag this to the main screen. Now you have to select the pulse. So for that, search pulse in the library browser and select pulse generator one as shown here and drag it to the screen and also connect these two. And now you have to click on pulse generator and set the following. Set the desired period, like I am choosing 1 second, you can choose 2 or 3, and then also set the pulse width to 50% and click apply and OK. Now this next step is click on digital output. Since we are doing the LED4 for testing, so it is connected to GPIO23. So select the group as accordingly and also click on GPIO23 and toggle it. Click apply and OK. Then go to hardware and click on build, deploy and start. Once that's done, you have it will run successfully, and I will show you the output. This is the output, like every 1 second LED4 is blinking. Yeah, done.
Thank you. So this is the very initial one, simple program to how to just that LED blinking, and in the subsequent sessions we will understand how to configure the ADC. This is a successive approximation type ADC, and how to use the ADC interrupt, then the external hardware interrupt. Another thing is very important thing in power electronics and control is called quadrature pulse counting. Then for the SSI device, the synchronous serial interface, how to read those kind of data. Then main thing is for nowadays, in power electronics, people are very much fascinated about the multi-level switching. So how to generate that multi-level PWM pulses. All these things we will learn. Once you able to configure the board, then the remaining thing you can do with the register and the block set available in the simulator. That will learn in depth during our successive lectures. Thank you so much. Thanks for your patience. My thanks to Sri Ranjini to attend this.